This video is brought to you by Customuse. I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to show you how to make easy Robux. First, you want to head over to customuse.com. It'll be the first link in the description. Once you're on the website, it's going to look like this. And if you look down here, you can see that you can get it on Android, iPhone, PC, whatever. You can get it on anything. If you scroll down, you can see everything that you can use Customuse for. In this video, we're going to be focusing on AI clothes. So what you want to do is you want to press on AI clothes. After you press on it, you're going to get prompted with this right here. All you need to do is sign in. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or even your email. Now, once you've logged in, you're going to be brought to the Discover page. Now, because there's so many different things that you can use this website for, I'm just going to filter it to Roblox. Now that I've filtered it to Roblox, you can see that these are Roblox clothing templates. Now, as you can see, there's even more if you scroll down. There's literally so many clothes, all of them free for you to just completely use. Now, I'm going to find one to use as an example, and I'm going to pick the Spider-Man 2099. So as you can see, I've selected the Spider-Man 2099 suit, as you can see right here. But for whatever piece of clothing, go to this button right here that says Remix. Now, once you've pressed it, you'll be brought to this page, and here's where you can personalize your piece of clothing. Now, for example, you can literally change the colors of anything. As you can see, there's different layers of fabric which you can literally change them individually, and you can make like a completely new piece of clothing. As you can see, if I put this all to be black, as you can see, it almost looks like the symbiote suit. As you can see, if I change it all to white, you can make this cool looking white suit, or you could play around with the colors and make some sort of pattern. I don't even know. Now, if you want to go one step further, you can actually change the material of every single piece of fabric. So if I press this right here that says material, it lets me completely change the material of, the clothing. I'm going to play around with these settings and find something that looks nice. Now, I found this pretty nice dotted material which looks pretty cool. I'm going to keep this. Okay, I'm also going to make it fully black. And over to the right side here, you can select the individual layers. So as you can see, there's an image, and all the fabrics all the way from 1 to 8. So I'm going to choose the image. Now, as you can see, on the left side, you can also see how you can position it. So you can move it around. As you can see here, it changes position. I'm going to keep it the way it was because it was fine that way. Now, you can get a very precise color by using this right here. Or if you want to stick to the basics, you can also use the default colors which are provided right here. Now, I'm going to make a nice looking suit. Okay, so as you can see, I created this cool looking outfit right here. Now, it's kind of a mix of the symbiote suit and the Prowler, which is all on a Spider-Man 2099 template. Looks completely different now. And down here, you can also preset. You can see how it looks. As you can see my dude right here. And you can also see how a girl would look wearing this, but I'm going to keep it on blocky for now. Now that I've done this, I'm going to move on to the other options which I can use to customize this and personalize it even more. So I'm going to go to accessories, and on accessories, you can see a bunch of stuff that I could add. As you can see, I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's pick this right here. As you can see, now I'm wearing a vest, which automatically, just after pressing it, looks perfect. It's just done completely. Everything is done for you, and if you want to see how that would look on different body types, you can do so, and everything looks pretty decent. Now, if for example like me, you've accidentally put a little bit too many accessories, go to here on the right side and you can simply just remove them. And I'm going to go back to the simple suit because I think this looks nice. You can also go to the media tab and you can add different kinds of stickers and stuff, and over here you can move it around and scale it so it fits properly. As you can see, you can just put it in the middle. I could just make my own spider symbol with the fire icon. I guess I could just do that if I wanted to. There's a bunch more stuff that you can do. You guys can all explore and find out for yourself. As you can see, there's lightning, which I think this lightning looks pretty cool. Let me see how it looks. So yeah, all these media stuff is perfect if you want to make your own superhero suit, for example, or just any type of clothing in general. Now, if you really want to, you can upload your own image to put on the clothing. Now, as you can see, I've uploaded the one and only, you can already tell this is me right here, but I've uploaded this image, and you can literally make it fit perfectly anywhere, almost anywhere on the body. You can just put it anywhere. It could be a badge. I'm going to zoom in and try get a precise placement. As you can see, if I really wanted to, I could put this image on the back. And if you're one of those people who like to watermark their work, or you just want to add text in general, it doesn't have to be a watermark, here is a text tab. Now here you have a ton of fonts that you can use. I'm going to use this one right here, and you can customize the text on this side. I'm going to make it say Prodigy. I'm going to make this white. If you do want to watermark your work, most people usually watermark their work down here, as you can see, just right here, this area. And if you want to see different body types, obviously you can always switch between each one to see how it looks on every single body type. So I'm going to place this watermark right where no one can see it, just there. And this is looking almost completely done. Okay, now the last option is the draw option. Now you can literally draw anything on your piece of clothing, and I'm going to just show you how it works. So you can't actually draw by doing this because it just rotates it the angle. If you want to add a little, drawing to your clothing piece, you have to go into this area right here, and you can draw literally whatever you want as if you were in paint. As you can see, I'm just drawing stuff. As you can see, you can do so much with this. You can just draw any way you want. You can literally scribble all around it, but I'm not going to scribble because I want this to look pretty nice. As you can see, it does look pretty nice. And I'm going to get rid of this on the back because obviously it doesn't fit in. Now that I've completed my clothing, I'm going to press save in the top right corner. Now it's going to give you the option to name it. So I'm going to name it something along the lines of Prowler X Symbiote X 2099 Spider-Man. Something like that, because literally that's what it is kind of. Now you can either save it privately or you can publish it completely. I'm going to publish it. Okay, so now that I've fully published it, as you can see, it gives me the option to download the shirt and the pants, so it can come out as a set. As you can see right here, it's going to look exactly like this. Now what you want to do is you want to press download shirt and download pants, so you can have them both. So as you can see, this right here, this is the shirt and these are the pants, and just like that, you've created your own Roblox clothing. If you want to earn Robux from these clothes, you can upload them to Roblox and sell them. You could also start your own clothing group. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and thanks to Customuse for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.